Check it out. Here it is, the old school Rocketeer Sidecar on sale right now at SaferWholesale.com and our other affiliates. And check it out. This one here, it's going to come with the torsion axle. You're going to get your optional rim and tire, which you do have to go ahead and purchase. Now, this one here is a 12-inch rim and tire that you can see like so, 480-12. Check it on out. Again, great size. And again, it's got great thickness, so you can go ahead and use this at higher speeds. You've got your swag tubing here, different brackets, again, universal and many different brackets, so you can install this on any motorcycle or scooter of your choice. Again, you've got your nice bracket arm here as well. It's going to come with your instructions for installing. Again, you've got your windshield here as well and your hardware along with your nice metal fender. And check out this nice stitching here on this unit right here. Again, in stock now, shippable all across the entire nation. You've got your nice stitching, and this is a fiberglass tub. And again, you can go ahead and get it and make it any color that you choose once you receive. You got nice armrests as well, and you can order yours today by calling 866-606-3991 or simply purchase right on the website, SaferWholesale.com.